Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing you how to get the full 1000 Gs on Chip and Charge. So this game's actually pretty fun, and it actually does have co-op. So before I show you the achievements, I just want to show you guys it does have co-op. So go to settings, and then you can change that to 2 players, so you can always play with someone, you know, at your house or whatever. So I thought that was pretty cool, and it's a little tricky to find. Well, not tricky, but we'll go into settings. So yeah, you do have that option as well. But to get all the achievements will take you around like 10 minutes. It's actually a really easy and quick game. So there's only 10 achievements, and yeah, pretty easy. When you first actually load up the game, you probably get the unlock duck enemy. That's the first enemy you guys face. So as soon as you load up the game, you should get this achievement right here. Go to your wardrobe, which I'll show you, and then you want to win up to 10 matches, and then pretty much face the first, I think, 4 opponents. That's it. So, yep. When you first go in, go to customization, and then you will get the achievement for the wardrobe. And then once you guys do that, go to play, and then it doesn't really matter up here. Game mode, you just do classic. If you do fast, you can just leave that left as classic. Map random, and then you choose a map. It doesn't really matter. And click on continue. Before you do that, I just want you guys to know if you are the last achievement you probably get will be getting 10 wins. Which you see I already got. I already have all the achievements. Quick way of getting the 10 wins is actually to go to the tutorial, and then just pretty much you're gonna face a level 1 bot or whatever. You face obviously they're all bots, but you're gonna face the easiest bot through the tutorials, and you actually like I don't think you're gonna lose to the tutorial. I know until afterwards, but yeah, just to go through the tutorial, and then every time you beat the bot, you just do that 10 times, rinse and repeat, and then that's really it. So yeah, go to play and go to continue, and then you want to go to go or back, and then click on right on the D-pad to change the character. But you're gonna face fish, duck, mask, and egg. So once you guys beat those 4 opponents, that's it. That's pretty much all the achievements, and then get up to 10 wins as well. And that's really it. You guys can play the further opponents, but you don't have to. And you can't just play opponents here to count as the wins. They do count as well, but it is easiest if you go through the tutorial and face the bot there. But that's about it. It's really easy to play. So we'll click on go. And a little weird because your thing just like slides like your racket. You just press A, and then keep going to the ball and press A. You kind of like hit it in a way like that where you get points. If you keep hitting it straight, it's a little weird like the way you don't like control it too much, but if you control like that, sometimes you hit it out. Sometimes you don't. You kind of get used to it, but it's really easy. I think I lost like 1 time out of like 10 times. As out. Oh no, it's not happening. So get you. Oh, what happened there? They like swung behind me. Not too hard though. It's really it's an easy game. It's easy point. If you hit on the side like that, you obviously get that's how you really get your points. Like that's a point. And then after you get 50 points, you win. So you see, I won. It's that easy. That's really about it. So you guys go to play and you go to continue. When you face this guy, the mask guy, it's kind of cool because he goes invincible. But it's not hard at all. I mean, just keep. Wow. He's like invincible. It's still pretty easy. But yeah, just face the first 4 opponents, go through the wardrobe, and then just get 10 wins, which you can do in the tutorial. And that's about it. After you guys do that, you will have your full completion. So, yep, thanks for watching, and yeah, pick this game up now, guys, and it's pretty cool. Yeah, you can also do 2 players, so you have that as well. You should play with someone at your house. But yeah, go 9 players. So add the second controller, and then you can add another player. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.